Well, good afternoon, everyone. Hello.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Good afternoon.
Well, welcome again. We're gonna continue our English class right now. And let me tell you something. Before to continue with our activities, we needed to complete today. We're gonna play something. This is a nice game. We're gonna play, but I need your participation as well. Please, everyone, participate on this game. That will be very easy, very easy. Let me share with you my screen once more in order you can develop this exercise. Wait me a second. The title, in this case, the title for this, well, wait me, I don't know what happened. The title for this game is, how good is your memory? This is a question for you. How good is your memory?
Bad.
Bad, are you sure?
Yes.
Is it bad, your memory?
Okay.
Maybe bad. Maybe bad.
Maybe. We're gonna discover this on this game. We're gonna discover how good is your memory. Are you ready to play this?
Yes.
I'm ready.
Okay, let's follow the instructions and participate. Follow the instructions. Well, listen, you're gonna find 5 memory tasks with 2 related questions. 10 points in total add up 4 graphs. These are the instructions the game is giving you. Okay, the first task, this is task number 1. Memorize the picture. Memorize the picture. I'm gonna give you some seconds in order you can memorize the picture. The question, what color are the numbers?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yellow.
Yellow, you said, okay. Yes, yellow. We have 1 point. The second question. What color is the wall behind the dartboard? Did you remember what color is?
Black. I don't remember good.
Black.
No, I don't know.
Is it black or another color?
Black.
Yeah, and brown. Black.
Black, you said, okay. The wall behind. Yes, that's black. The second task, memorize the words. This is the second task. Memorize the words we have in here. And now the question is, 3 of the words begin with which letter?
House.
No, listen the question. 3 of the words begin with which letter? Letter. You have to mention the letter. A, B, C. You have to mention the letter. Say a letter. Say a letter.
M. H. W.
Okay. You said
W.
W, you said H, someone said M. Okay,
M.
we're gonna discover. And the letter is letter M. That's the letter M. What is the only 3-letter word? What is the only 3-letter word? There is a word who has what has 3 letters. What is the word? What is the word? Did you remember? No? Let's discover what's the word. Well, only 3-letter word, I. We have 1 letter, 2, and 3 letters. It's I. Okay? Next. Task number 3. Memorize the picture. What animal is
A cat.
Cat.
Cat. Okay, yeah, that's this, right? Shadow on the moon. Cat. In the picture with the seagulls, how many seagulls are there?
Two.
Two seagulls. is the letter C box?
Blue.
Blue? That's blue. Now, what color is the letter A box?
White.
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 So that is letter Y. Let me see. Yeah, white color. The last, this is the last task. Memorize the pictures. Well, here we have the name of these figures. We have, this is a triangle, this is a circle, this is, what's this? Rectangle, I think.
Go.
This is a pentagon, and this is square, for example. Well, memorize the pictures. These are the shapes. These are some shapes. What letter is in the pentagon?
Letter D.
The letter D.
D. Yes, that's the letter D. What shape is the letter B box?
A circle.
A circle. Let me see. Circle. Very good. This is the game that I have for you today. Well, this is something related with memory. How good is your memory? But your memory is good, it's excellent, because you didn't fail anything. Well, thank you for the students who participate on this game. We're gonna continue.
Don't lie, teacher.
Hello? What did you say?
Don't lie.
No, but I'm not lying, it's the truth. Yeah, because you guess everything. Yeah, you guess everything. Well, it's time to continue with our class development. This is the second part to our class. And now we're gonna work in our English idea starter, page number 69. I'm gonna share with you the page. That's page number 69 in your English idea starter. Okay, here we have the book, English idea starter, and as I said, page number 69. We're gonna continue talking about, in this case, how many are there. We're gonna continue talking about the demonstrative pronouns. Well, 69. This is the page. This is the page, and according to the exercise, we're gonna complete, wait me. We're gonna complete exercises 3A, B, 4A, and 4B. These are the exercises we're gonna complete right now. These ones. Let's start with 3A. I have a question for you. Did we complete this page, these exercises? A and to B?
Yes.
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 We are on this one. We are on this exercise. Listen. According to exercise 3A, what you have to do is complete 1 to 5 with, in, or on. These are some prepositions we're gonna use to complete the sentences. In or on. Be careful at the moment to read the sentences and choose the correct option. Number 1. What is number 1?
There isn't a lipstick in my backpack.
You said that is in. Wait me, I'm gonna write in here. Then we're gonna check the answers. I'm gonna show you the answers. Okay, in you said. Number 2.
How many contacts do you
How
have?
many contacts do you have on Facebook?
On Facebook.
On, you're not gonna say in Facebook. No, when you talk about social networks, you're gonna use the preposition on Facebook, on Twitter, on Instagram, on internet. What else? Another social network?
On YouTube.
On
TikTok.
YouTube.
And YouTube, Twitter.
You're not gonna say in YouTube or in Twitter. No, it's on. For social networks, you're gonna use on. Number 3. That's number 3.
These men work in a hospital. I think they're doctors.
Okay, very good. In a hospital, not on a hospital. No, it can be possible to work on a hospital. It's in a hospital. Number 4.
Do you have this
Have
app on your
On
cell
your cell phone.
phone or
On
tablet?
your
the phone
tablet.
or in your tablet.
And number 5. What's
There
number 5?
There are
in
few
pocket.
candies in my pocket.
In my pocket. Well, I'm gonna show you the answers right now. Wait me a second. In order you can check those exercises. Well, here we have the correct prepositions for each sentence. As you said before, in number 1, there isn't a lipstick in my backpack. In, not on my backpack, is in. Number 2, how many contacts do you have on Facebook? 3, these men work in a hospital. In a hospital. I think they're doctors. Number 4, be careful with number 4. As you can see, in both of them is on. Why? Because we have, do you have this app on your cell phone or on your tablet? If we use on to refer to cell phone, it means that we have to use on to refer to tablets. On your cell phone, on your tablet, on TV, etc. On. Number 4, both of them on. 5, there are a few candies in my pocket. In my pocket. Well, did you finish this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Yes.
Okay, let's continue with activity 3B. Wait. Activity 3B consists on read the answers. You have to read the answers and complete the equations. Here we have the answers. Yes, there's 007 Skyfall. None. We're all adults. Yes, there are. Here, take one. I don't know. And the last, no, there isn't. I don't have an umbrella. For this exercise, I'm gonna give you 1 minute. 1 minute, you can complete these exercises by yourself. Try to do it. When you finish, tell me, teacher, I finished, and we're gonna check the answers. Finish? You complete the exercise?
Almost.
Almost, okay. Continue. This is something similar to a short quiz. You have to try to do it by yourself, and then we're gonna check the answers. And you're gonna count how many correct did you guess?
Teacher, I'm confused with the 4 because could be, can I take photos with that camera? And the answer could be, I don't know.
Yeah, you have a lot of options to ask this kind of questions. But remember, Ruben and classmates, that we are on this exercise, we're talking about demonstrative pronouns. Questions, but in this case, questions, right? Questions. But you have reason, Ruben. You can use this. Can I take photos in that camera? I don't know. But this is demonstrative pronouns. Questions, remember, questions. It's time to check your answers. Let me see. I'm gonna check your answers right now. According to number 1. Number 1, what's number 1?
Is that a good movie on the TV?
Is
That a good movie on the TV?
in this case is there. Is there a good movie on TV, right? Not in TV. No, on TV. The answer is yes, there's, and we have the answer here. Number 2.
How many children do you have on your family?
This is another, we can, or you can say, I'm confusing on number 2 because I have 2 options to ask. Remember, we are talking about demonstrative pronouns in this case, right? Demonstrative pronouns. We're gonna say, are there children on your family or in your family?
In your family.
In
family.
None, with all adults. Number 3.
Do you have candies in your purse?
Demonstrative pronouns, remember, this is demonstrative pronouns. Like the examples we have in here.
are there?
Are there
Yeah, are there candies on your purse or in your purse?
In your purse.
in your
In
purse?
your
Yes, there are. Here, take one. This is an answer you can give to someone else. Number 4.
Are there photos in that camera?
In that camera. I don't know. And the last one, what's the last?
Are there an
Um,
umbrella on your coat?
An umbrella. For singular, you use?
There are.
No, this is a singular
No,
noun. No,
there
there is.
is there.
is there because it's a question. Is there an umbrella in your car? No, there isn't. I don't have an umbrella. Well, in order you can check these options, I'm gonna show you the correct answers. What is it? This. Okay. Ruben, you said something, right? But here we have how many children. Yeah, Ruben mentioned this. Ruben says in number 2, how many children, but in this case, are there in your family? And the others we have in here. Number 1, is there a good movie on TV? 2, how many children are there in your family? 3, are there any candies in your purse? Are there any photos on that camera? And the last, is there an umbrella in your car? Well, these are the questions you have to use, or these are the words you have to use to complete the questions. I'm gonna do something. I'm gonna ask you the question, you're gonna answer. Let's start with number 1. Is there a good movie on TV?
Yes, there's 007 Skyfall.
How many children are there in your family?
None. We are adults.
Are there any candies in your purse?
Yes, there are. Here, take one.
Are there any photos on that camera?
I don't know.
Is there an umbrella in your car?
No, there isn't. I don't have an umbrella.
Perfect. So these are the questions. Now the last activity. Wait a second. This is the last exercise. Almost the last because they are missing this one. Okay. Look at the photo in 4B. These are the photos. You have the photo. This is the photo, sorry. You have to look at and complete the how many questions with objects in 1 to 5. The first one is related with pens. How many pens are there in the photo? What's the answer?
There are one pen on the photo.
There's one. Okay, there's one. What about candy? What is the equation for candy?
How many
How many
candies
candies are there in the
the photo?
This is what you have to do. Right, how many candies are there in the photo? How many?
A few.
A few candies. A few candies. Well, you said there is a few. Well, number 3, lipstick. What's the equation for lipstick?
How
How
many
many
lipsticks photo?
are there in
How many lipstick? How many lipsticks are there in the photo? How many lipsticks?
About 5.
about 5?
About 5. But you can say about 5, but I seen that there are 4. 4, right? Yeah. Number 4, watch.
How many watches are there in the photo?
How many watches? Very good. Watches are there? How many?
None.
None. Very good. That's number 4. And number 5, paperclip. What about paperclip?
How many paper clips are there in the
photo?
How
And
many?
A lot of paper clips.
Yes. How many paper clips are there? Okay. Here we have, and the answer is a lot. Okay, a lot. Let me tell you something. This is a review I'm gonna do today. About 5, if this when you don't know exactly the amount of things. In this case, you can say, how many candies are there in the photo? About 5. Or when someone asks you, how old are you? How old is she? I don't know. She's about, and you mentioned the age. In this way, we're gonna use about when we don't know exactly the amount of things. A lot, when we talk about a lot of things, in this example, the paper clips. We have a lot of paper clips here. None, anything, right? None, anything. 1, everybody knows that 1 is 1. A few, it can be 4 things, 5 things. You can use a few. Any question about this?
No, teacher.
Is it clear?
No.
Wait me a second. Let me see. I'm gonna change this. And it's time for questions and answers. If you want to ask me something about the contents we developed today, you can ask me. But if you want to know something else, the same, you can ask me the questions, but in English, remember, in English. Questions? No questions?
No, teacher.
No.
Not
Is it clear, I guess? Well, there are missing 2 minutes, and we're gonna finish our class. It's 12:53, yeah, 53. And meanwhile, I'm gonna tell you something about the diagnostic test you took the last or the previous week. Let me tell you that you have done an excellent job. Congratulations, my dear students from 6th grade B. There are some things we needed to improve, but I'm gonna help you. Of course. The diagnostic test was related with reading comprehension, listenings. That was easy. Grammar. The diagnostic test was very easy. In some cases, the majority of you are in movers level. In movers level, you have to be on flyers level. This is the advance. The flyers is the advance on this diagnostic test. It means that your level is, if you have the flyers level, it means that you are excellent at English, right? Flyers means that you have an advanced English. For that reason, in some cases you said, teacher, when this test is gonna finish? Well, so my dear students, continue with your effort. You are doing an excellent job and you can do your best every day. So let me tell you that this is all for today's class. We're gonna continue in the next time. Questions? No?
No, teacher.
Okay, very good. Excellent participation in the activities, excellent behavior. Claps for you. For that reason, I have this, this in my profile because for your good effort, for your excellent behavior, I have a lot of happy faces here. Well, bye-bye, see you, take care, have a nice afternoon. See you soon.
Bye, teacher.